Hello students, in the previous session I have explained you what a chemical reaction is and what a chemical equation is, why we have to balance a chemical equation. Today in this video I am going to explain you what are the types of the chemical reactions. Generally, if you see in a chemical reaction, an atom of an element is not getting converted into atom of another element. That is, an atom is not getting added in the reaction from the outside, or an atom is not destroyed in the mixture what we are taking. The thing is breaking and making of bonds is happening in a chemical reaction. That is, due to breaking and making of bonds, we are getting a new type of element as a product. So in this I am going to explain you how many types of chemical reactions are there. Yes, the type of chemical reactions are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction reactions. I am going to explain you these types of reactions one by one with examples. First, we are going to discuss about combination reaction. To explain combination reaction, I am taking the example of quicklime. In a beaker, you have to take water. In that, you have to add calcium oxide, which is known as quicklime. Calcium oxide reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, which is known as slaked lime. The reaction is as follows. If you look into this, calcium oxide, which is solid, reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide, which is known as slaked lime. This calcium hydroxide is used in whitewashing of the walls. This is known as combination reaction because in these two reactants are combining to form a single product. So the reaction in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product is known as a combination reaction. Here slaked lime is used in whitewashing of walls, and the process is as follows. Slaked lime, when applied on the walls, it reacts with carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere to form calcium carbonate. This calcium carbonate is responsible for the shiny look of the walls after whitewashing. If you see the mechanism, calcium hydroxide, that is the slaked lime, reacts with carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere to form calcium carbonate and hydrogen gas is evolved. Interestingly, the formula of marble is also calcium carbonate. Here, if you see in this reaction, slaked lime is formed with the evolution of heat. That is, the beaker, whatever we are conducting the experiment in the beaker gets heated up. That is, heat is evolved. The reaction in which heat is released is known as the exothermic reactions. Here, heat is released in this reaction. So, we are telling this reaction is an exothermic reaction. Few more examples of combination reaction are burning of coal. If you take coal which is in solid state, if you burn the coal, it reacts with oxygen present in the air to form carbon dioxide. I have denoted the physical states here, like oxygen and carbon dioxide are in gaseous state while coal is in solid state. Another example is formation of water from H2 and O2. That is, H2 reacts with O2 to form 2 moles of H2O. Here also hydrogen and oxygen are in gaseous state and water is in liquid state. As discussed previously, combination reaction is an exothermic reaction, that is, heat is released in the reaction. A few more examples for this exothermic reactions are burning of natural gas, that is methane. When we burn methane, it reacts with oxygen present in air to form methanol. Whatever you are burning in air, oxygen gets reacted with that. So, methane reacts with oxygen to form methanol. This is also one more example for combination reaction, and also heat is evolved in this. So, it is an exothermic reaction. Similarly, the process which is happening in our body, that is, we daily eat food. Whatever the energy we are using to do work, we are getting that energy from the food whatever we eat. That is, the food which is in the form of carbohydrate gets broken down into glucose, that is simpler molecules. This glucose, whatever we are after digestion, whatever the glucose is produced, it reacts with the oxygen present in the cells of our body to form carbon dioxide, water, with the release of energy, whatever we are getting the energy from the food, we are using that energy to do work. Consider the reaction that is we have done in activity 1.1, that is burning of magnesium ribbon. That is magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. What is the type of reaction? That is nothing but combination reaction. That is magnesium reacts with oxygen to form a single product, magnesium oxide. With the evolution of, consider the reaction what you have observed in activity 1.1, that is burning of magnesium ribbon to form magnesium oxide white powder. This is also an example of combination reaction. As discussed previously, example of combination reaction is calcium oxide quicklime reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide. As a combination reaction, we have discussed it previously. After that, I have told you slaked lime, that is calcium hydroxide, is used for whitewashing the walls. After whitewashing the walls by using this calcium hydroxide, after 2 to 3 days, we get a shiny coating on the walls. The reason behind it is calcium hydroxide, whatever you are using to whitewash the walls, it reacts with carbon dioxide to form calcium carbonate and water. This calcium carbonate is responsible for shiny nature of the walls. So these are the examples of combination reactions. What is the mechanism involved in combination reaction? What are exothermic reactions? I have explained you in this video. Our next reaction is decomposition reaction.